everyone, it's Megan with the Crafty Music Lover here, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a little bit of housekeeping, a little bit of cleaning before I prepare my 2023 lineup, and I wanted to share with you guys kind of the process of me doing that because I think it's fun, and maybe you'll get some inspiration on how to do a few different pages and just a few fun things. So this planner right here is actually the planner that I have all of my extra stuff in, and I'll show you what that is in a second. But this, underneath it, is the current planner that I have for all of my 2022 items. So I have all of my inserts from 2022 in here, with the exception of, I believe, November and December of this year. I don't have that in here yet because November just ended and December just started. I wanted to show you that that's kind of how I organize everything. So all of the, usually 3 months fit in my classic, so it's usually my wellness and my catch-all section for 3 months at a time, and then when one of the months is over, I'll transfer it over to here. As you can see, this is getting very thick because it's got two different planners in here and a lot of different things. But I wanted to pull this one and show you guys because in here is, like I said, all of the extra stuff that I do in 2022. So basically my goals for 2022, my word of the year page, my year in photos, my wish list that I did a reel on Instagram. I have a couple of different checklists that I have done, my bucket list for 2022 was in here, and the reel that I did for the different holiday movies for Halloween. So all of the extra stuff for like that kind of thing lives in here. So before I go into my setups for 2023, I kind of wanted to do a little bit of cleaning. So because this is 2022, I figured I would put it all in here because that's where everything lives. And this is getting very chunky very fast. So we are going to go ahead and start with my word of the year and my year in photos. And I do have plan with these on these videos if you guys are interested in checking those out. We're going to go ahead and put those in here. I have this wish list that I made an Instagram reel on, and I actually still really like this wish list, so I'm going to keep it in here. And I am also going to keep my self-care checklist because I do reference this quite a bit, but I don't need my spring clean cleanse or my bucket list for 2022 in here. I actually think this may have been 2021. And I do actually have a couple of bucket lists for 2022 for the summer. So I'm going to take those out as well and put those in the front of my planner here. And while we're doing housekeeping, I will probably do the same thing in my classic just to get everything out of the way. This is also something I'm not going to keep in here. I'm not going to keep my deep cleaning checklists. I have 2 of those. My home refills I am going to keep in here because I'm going to redo that because I just don't like how this looks. But at the current moment, it's going to sit in there until I can figure out what to do with it. And most of the stuff I show you in here, I actually do have reels or plan with me's on. So if you guys are interested in making your own or just seeing how I set my own up, I do have reels on those. My iridescent nights, I still haven't done my plan with me on that. I did this, but I didn't do the actual photos, so I'm going to keep that in here for now because I'm going to transfer that over to my memory planner later. I'm going to keep my reading log in here and my photos as well. This, I think I'm going to move over because this is all of my 2021-2022 movies that I've done, and I think I'm just going to take those out. And that's all that's in here is just all 2021-2022 movies. And then I have some TV shows, And I have done this off camera. I have done a couple of them that I've written down. I just hadn't gotten to it yet. I am going to keep these in here though, because I think that that would be something I could keep. It seems like I haven't filled this out, but I promise I have. I filled it out, I've written it down, I just haven't transferred it over. So that is why they're still there. I'm going to take this out as well. We are going to take WandaVision out, and we are going to keep these because I can use these. Shorts and mini series, I literally haven't written anything down on this, so I think I'm going to keep that in here. And this is just like my literary, I wouldn't say it's a literary log, it's more of like a log of me doing a bunch of stuff. And then I've got a couple of extra pages back here. And then I also have my checklist for life, and this was from 2021. And I still need to fill this out. This was from Oh Really Alana, and I still have, I think I still have this, but I haven't used it yet. I need to, I just haven't had time to fill it out. And then I've got some more of those pages that I printed out. So I think that's everything that I want to put into my planner, and I actually think I might, you know what, I'm going to go ahead and put this into my 2022 planner because I might as well do that. It is going to be absolutely stuffed with things by the end of the year because I still have quite a bit to move over from my catch-all. Speaking of, let's go ahead. I'm going to put this planner to the side because we are going to use this one in a second. But I'm going to see if there's anything in here that I can change over. Now, a lot of this stuff in the beginning of this, because this was my fitness planner, it does have a lot of personal information, so I'm not going to share that, but I will see. Okay, so pretty much everything here was stuff that I need to keep in here until the end of the year, which I figured that was going to happen, but I do have quite a bit of extra paper in my planner. I am going to leave this in until I actually set up my 2023 planner. I literally was going to say, I think I actually am going to take this out because these are all just pages that I have pre-decorated in case I'm needing to jot something down and I don't have time to actually plan anything. So I've got some pages decorated here with just extra pieces from my reusable sticker book. So I've got that. I think I just have two of the big ones. So I'll put this in my planner that I just set to the side, and then this stuff I'm actually going to put away and set it somewhere. Well, I can't take it all out at once. I'm going to set it somewhere where I don't forget it's here, because these are daily pages that I do need to keep. So I think that's everything in the catch-all. Alrighty, so I think that that is everything we can fit. Oh my gosh, I don't even know if I can fit November and December in here. Like, this is stuffed. Okay. Moving back to this planner. This is actually a cover that I got from a notebook, and it was just a regular lined notebook, and I thought it would be perfect to use for just extra stuff. This is going to be where my 2023 goals are going to live, my, year in photos when I decide to do that. My wish list is still going to live in here, so I'm going to keep this planner ready. And I have some inserts here that I pulled. These are printables. This was a Happy Planner printable with summer reading books, so I thought that would be cute to put in here. And this is also a Happy Planner printable. This is pantry organization, kitchen organization, linen closet, and bathroom organization. And this is like spring cleaning, so I thought that would be perfect for me to hold on to. And then these are free printables that I found on the internet, so more movies I've watched, and I did double-sided TV shows, again, double-sided, just to make it a little bit less chaotic. So I'm going to keep the wish list here. Again, self-care checklist we'll keep here in the front. And we'll keep this. Reading log stays here. Okay. So, let's put movies in the front. And then we'll move this along. TV shows. We're going to put here. Okay, and then I'm actually going to put all of these here so that I have a separation between all this extra pages back here. And then, let's see, we're going to move the checklist for life. I missed a page. My bad. We are going to put that in the front, right behind the self-care checklist. Okay. Home refills. Okay, so now I'm going to put all of this stuff in here. And I will be putting my bucket list and all of that fun stuff in this as well. So you guys will be able to see. I will add some more stuff, but I ran out of printer paper, so I can't print anything else out. But I did print out a goodbye 2020, goodbye 2022, hello 2023 from Lights Planner Action. It was a free printable. So I have that. But I just thought it would be fun to kind of walk through my spread. Oh my gosh, I almost missed my to buy. I've got a list of things that I want to buy, just like random things. So icons for social media, date numbers, to-dos, black boxes, label boxes, things like that. I made this just with extra Color of a Plan stickers, and I wanted to have this in here so that I could reference it whenever I need it. So I forgot to put that in there, so I'm glad I remembered. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and maybe you found some inspiration on kind of how to separate your like non-seasonal like to-do lists and extra things from your planner. I used to keep them all together, but I just found it was too stressful for me. I couldn't find where something was, so I decided to keep it all in one section because I had extra discs and an extra planner cover, and I figured I might as well use them. So that is why I did this. I just thought that this would be something fun for you guys to see and see kind of how I decorate my spreads. Because, like, sometimes you don't know. Sometimes you aren't on Instagram and you didn't know that I did that stuff. So I thought it would be fun. If you guys like this video and you want to see more just like this, or if you're interested in seeing any of my other non-planner related content, check out the description box below. There's a couple different playlists in different categories, so you can check those out. And if you're new here and you want to see more content from me, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you get notified when I post a new video, and hit the like button if you enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for hanging out with me. I really hope you enjoyed this video. And until next time, craft on. Bye guys!